So today we just hit 525%. The coins I share in the private list was Original Dollar, Governance, Roseon, Findora, Meshaverse, Good Games Guild, and Binary X. Today also I want to teach you how what's going on with Bitcoin. We just have a death cross. To be more quick, let's go step by step. Let's talk about Bitcoin first. Guys, on this channel, we don't follow coins, we track them. Okay, we don't buy and hold it. We track them. We trade when you're supposed to trade. Okay, let's talk about Bitcoin first. Today, I got a confirmation of death cross. What is death cross is? Death cross is when on the weekly chart, you see here, you got this lane, green lane here, it's called 50 exponential, 50 moving average, and the red line it's called 200 moving average. And what is death cross? Death cross is when the 50 moving average crossing down the 200 moving average. That means a death cross. For the people who follow my channel know my prediction for Bitcoin is $10,000. If you follow my channel, you already know I put my $2 million in a buy order right here, $10,000. Okay, believe me or not, a lot of people think I'm crazy. I don't know what I'm talking about. Guys, I have 11 years doing this. Okay, but like I mentioned before, we don't focus on Bitcoin here. We don't focus on the main cryptos because we track them too, the main cryptos down here, XRP, Binance, Ethereum, Bitcoin, blah blah blah, you know that. So we don't focus this because those coins, they don't provide much return for us. We focus on the pumps, guys. We buy low before the pump and sell up high, like I mentioned before. Take a look at this volume here. On the last hour, $3 million, 772, 1.3, 498 million, 646, $6 million Binance X. Let me give you two examples how this thing is work. By calculate volume spike plus buyer power, you can predict the pump. There's no secret sauce here, but there is a lot of knowledge here. That is the difference, okay? Merchandise, guys. Actually, I shared this trade in the private list on 11. We bought this coin for 0.085 and you put a sell order right here at 25 cents. Guys, I made $20,000 on one single trade. A lot of new members, the beginners usually, they ask me, oh, why you didn't put the sell order here, sell order here? It's a typical question of beginners. Guys, we trade safe. My software calculates supply and demand. I don't know, I don't guess how high the pump goes. What you focus here on the sell order is the daily resistance, guys. Okay, when you become a member, I will teach you how the daily resistance work. Next trade recap, Original Dollar, guys. This coin was pump. You see all those little pumps here, they are volume pumps. Computer is too slow today. Here, pump, volume spike, volume spike, volume spike, volume spike. What happened when you have so much volume spike? Share this trade the private list on February 6th for 25 cents and put a sell order right here, 43 cents. I made 85%. Some members made 70%. That means $8,500 in my pocket. Okay, let me give you an example here. Let's go to my software, trade crypto. Let's go to volume spike. Pay attention to this. This coin right here, the volume just spiked 278%. Ó, the volume spike just minutes ago, ó, 635, okay? Look how accurate is this software. It's tracking 3,000 coins 24/7. My software is scanning the entire market every 15 minutes. Okay, let's copy this coin here, IXS. Let's go right here. Let's get out of here, Bitcoin. Let's go here, IXS. IXS swap there on the KuCoin. Click here. Super slow the computer today, right there. You see here. Take a look at this volume candle here. Take a look what my software just provides me. The volume spike 278%. That's how you find those pumps. On this case, it's no guarantee yet we will trade this coin. We just have a single pump, a volume. This is the one thing. Also, I need the confirmation of the buyer power. The buyer power, because the buyer power is, if example you have a $10 million in volume running today and we need at least $7 million to be on the buyer side. If you have this confidence, we are always on the right side because we are on the side of the buyers. If you want to buy, if you want to sell, short, use short sell for stock market, no, never for Bitcoin. If you want to short, you have to be on the seller side. That is the difference. That's how you make so much money here, because my software is doing the homework. All I gotta do is print screen my monitor and share in the private list, and you're welcome to join us. Feel free to reach me out. My name is Daniel, tradecryptotime@gmail.com. I live in South Beach, Miami. Okay, but that's how we run business here. We buy low before the pump and sell up high. We do this every single day, guys. Tracking 3,000 coins. Okay, we talk about this market. Coin market cap has almost 10,000 coins. Maybe it's already have 10,000 coins here. How are you gonna trade all these coins if you don't have a software working for you, providing you information? That's how we do here. Okay, by the way, guys, like to say welcome to our new members, and also I like to say, please, the software is not for sale. A lot of people ask me, they offer me a lot of money. The software is not for sale. I'm here just to provide the trades, because when I share my trades in the private list, I increase the buyer power. More people buying the same coin at the same time, price goes up faster. Here we go, guys. 525% profit today. Today is February 14, almost 7 p.m. in South Beach. My name is Daniel. You already know. Give me a like this video. Share. TradeCryptoTime@gmail.com. Together, we are strong. Have a blessed day. Thanks so much.